Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make this white pumpkin rasam. This is a white pumpkin, ash gourd we will say. This is a very tender one. The seeds are also very tender. You can use the seeds also while preparing the dish. Now here I have taken a small piece of ash gourd. Now what happened is my husband wants the juice of this, so I took juice of this and the remaining portion I have put it in this earthen pot. Now I am going to make a rasam with this. For that I have taken half tomato, rasam powder, turmeric powder, salt and a piece of jaggery. And if you want you can add kokum water or kokum petals in it, or tamarind water, or lime juice for the sour taste. Now we will put the tomato in this and the rasam powder, salt, turmeric powder, everything in this, and bring this to boil. I have got the kokum water. What I have done is kokum petals I put it in hot water and squeezed out the juice of that I will be adding to this. This is a kokum juice. We'll add around 2 teaspoons of kokum juice in it. Or after preparing the rasam, you can add lime juice also. Let us boil this. The tomato and the ash gourd should get cooked. This is cooked nicely. Now we'll add water to the rasam. I've added around 2 cups of water. Now we'll simmer this and keep it till the froth forms on top of it. And in the meantime we can prepare the tadka. For the tadka I have taken ghee, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, 2 garlic finely chopped, and the curry leaves. We'll put a teaspoon of ghee in the tadka pan. Hing powder. We'll put the garlic in it. Little bit of chili powder. We'll add water. The rasam has started frothing. Now we'll switch off the gas. Before that we'll put the tadka in it. And we'll switch off the gas. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. So our ash gourd rasam is ready. I have used the ash gourd after removing the juice. You can take fresh ash gourd and grind it in the mixer along with tomato also. Or if you want tomato separately, you can cut it and put it. Now this ash gourd rasam is ready here to serve along with rice. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.